Okay, welcome aboard the world-famous Jungle Cruise. My name is I Need More Coffee, and I'll be your tour guide for the next 5 days and 10 romantic evenings. As we pass through the rainforest, it's important to remember to please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And parents, watch your kids, because I don't want to. How many times are you going to hear that today, right? I don't want to, it's scary. That's a boring ride. I know, but you're here. Okay, along with the tour, wildlife. Notice how they stand on their hind legs and travel in small packs. The bright colors mean some of them are poisonous, and watch out for the small ones. They'll latch onto you for 18 to 25 years and slowly bleed you dry, sometimes longer. We now enter the jungle through an ancient Cambodian shrine, and holy cheese and crackers, the Indo-Chinese tiger. Look, kids. Tiger that size could easily grow to be 500 pounds and leap 25 feet. Yeah, but don't worry, kids. We're 15 feet away. They'll jump right over us. Well, we got something special lined up for you, folks. We're now entering our first stop of the tour, the Indian Elephant Bathing Pool. Wow, look at that. Looks like the whole herd's here. That's unheard of. If you guys want to take pictures, now your chance. They're all wearing their trunks. Well, I know some of you must be very excited, but we gotta go now. We got a whole jungle to cover. Up next, we're gonna stop by our safari camp. Heard they're making hamburgers. Oh no, no squirt. No, 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 no. What are you doing? He's reloading. You guys on the side, watch out. He's coming back up. I'm not joking. Use the kid as a shield. I mean, shield the kids. I'm sorry, that was backwards. Kids, I would never put you in danger. Just lied to a bunch of kids. Hold on. What are you guys doing? You're ruining my tour. Copy that. We got some gorillas up ahead. We're going to check it out. Oh my goodness, that one has a gun. Oh, that one has a gun. Sorry, we should keep going. Why did I slow down? Sorry. It's usually where I tell a banana joke. Yeah, but I did the mature thing today. Yeah, people don't find that appealing anymore, you know? Hey, there's Duncan. Hey, Duncan. I know, it feels like Monday. We'll get through. Everyone, this is Schweitzer Falls. We'll go over that later. And we just took a sharp turn down the Nile River, the longest river in the world. Ah, it's your lucky day. We're greeted by a pair of African bull elephants. They're different than the ones you saw earlier. They've got the white ivory tusks, the big floppy ears. This is the closest you ever get to one at a safe distance. Luckily, we're in the water. These are actually the largest land animals known to man. They can eat over 400 pounds of food in one day. That's not a joke, just educational. That brings us to our second stop today, the African Veld, and oh my goodness. Look, kids, those lions are protecting that sleeping zebra. That's how they sleep in the wild, children 8 and under. Right, adults? Yeah, it's probably the humidity. He looks dead. Tired, sorry. So we're just gonna let him rest in peace. Okay, how do I explain this one? Wow. Kids, that's why you never argue with a rhino, okay? They always get their point across in the end. I've actually never argued with one, so what a rhino. Thank you, thank you. Well, we slowed down a lot. It's because we're now entering a dangerous pool of hippopotami. There's no way to sugarcoat this, I'm sure you've heard, but last week these hippos sunk 8 boats. I'm proud to say, only 7 of those were mine. So we're just gonna take it nice and slow. Uh-oh. They're blowing bubbles. That's a form of aggression. We gotta get out of here. Oh, they're gonna block the way. Cover your ears, I'm gonna scare them off. Woo! Scared them stiff. Let's get out of here. It's okay, sweetie, I didn't hurt them. It's what we call a hippo shot a miss. They just don't like the loud noise. Well, this is my favorite part of the tour, headhunter territory. That's actually a great place to be headed this time of year. learned some of their language over the years. We've built a strong relationship. So I'm going to take this rare opportunity to see if I can translate. Hold on. Nope. What? No, it's a tour group. No, guys, we're just passing. They don't know you guys. Ambush, get down. Is everybody okay? Those are spears. Let's just keep going. Here's a moment you've been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the eighth wonder of the world. It's the backside of water. Woohoo! Just don't try that at home, okay? You'll hit your head on the faucet. This is our final stop today, the Amazon River. Here lies the true beauty of the jungle. Limestone. Wow. Yeah, most people take it for granted. My sentiments exactly. My delivery should have been bolder. Come on, that was a marvelous setup. You guys a little jaded? Ah! Piranhas! We're surrounded! Keep your hands inside! Please, 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 please don't jump in the water. And whatever you do, don't stick your hand in either. We had an English teacher do that, and now she teaches shorthand. Woo! That was scary. Oh, thank goodness piranhas can't turn right. We're safe. And there's a familiar face. Ladies and gentlemen, say hello to Trader Sam, one of the hardest working gentlemen here in the jungle. He was recently promoted. He is now the head salesman. Yeah, he actually opened up his own restaurant. It's called the Cannibal Cafe. Well, they're always looking for new and delicious ways to serve you. You'll never get a cold shoulder there. Well, there you have it, folks. Give yourselves a round of applause. You've just survived the world-famous jungle cruise. Yay! As we approach the dock, please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside once again. We just don't want your hands getting caught between the boat and the dock. While I do have you, we got a couple words from our sponsors. First off, a big thank you to the people over at the law office of G. Rath, sticking their neck out for you since 1955. Also, a big thank you to the gentleman over at the Miracle Boat Engine Company, reminding us, if it makes it around the jungle and back safely, it's got to be a miracle. And lastly, our holiday sponsor, holidays are just around the corner, a big thank you to the Animal Cracker Company. Not only a great stocking stuffer, but teaching kids for generations that all animals taste the same. Delicious. Well, there you have it. You guys have fun?
Yeah.
I had so much fun, I'm going to do this again. Make sure to tell your friends how much fun you had. It helps keep our line short. Before I ask, are we celebrating any birthdays? Birthdays are always fun. We got a whose birthday? Chantel? Do you want a birthday song? Any other birthdays out there? Look at that, you get your very own birthday song. You ready? Okay, everybody clap, 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 clap. This is your birthday song. It isn't very long. Happy birthday. I don't sing too good or tell jokes. I just drive a boat, really. That's my main thing. Thank you guys so much once again. Here's another fun fact for you guys to think about later. We got two docks. There's a dock on your left and a dock on your right. It's very confusing to some people, so we've simplified it. It's called a paradox. And finally, the dock is actually made out of Brazilian walnut. It's the densest wood in the world. You know how many walnuts it takes to make that? At least they're Brazilian. Some of you saw that coming. Anyways, it's our turn now. Again, hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Alright, this is Matt. Over there we got Jackie. This is Jennifer. That's Randy. Hey, Randy! The oldest living thing here in the jungle. Kirsten. And this is, Allah, I don't know, she's new. Okay, thank you guys so much. You guys stand on up, rise like dope, quit loafing around. Thank you guys so much for coming out to the world famous jungle cruise.